Welcome to Inside Drug Discovery. During this video, we will outline the lead selection process and define a number of terms, including hit, lead, SAR, and compound series. A screening campaign identifies a pool of compounds that are called actives. The actives are compounds that show a promising level of activity in the screening assay. The number of actives is often around 0.1% of the screened library. If 1 million compounds are screened, then you could have around 1,000 actives. Each active compound will subsequently be retested across a range of concentrations in order to better quantify the level of activity. The concentration required for a compound to exert an effect is called its potency. The magnitude of the effect from the compound is efficacy. Researchers will certainly determine the potency of actives depending on the target in an assay. Efficacy may also be studied. Actives with confirmed potency and binding on the target are named confirmed hits or validated hits. Validated hits are promising chemical matter for drug discovery. At this stage, the validated hits will be subjected to further testing in additional assays, assays that further validate efficacy and other properties like solubility, which is important for the use of the compounds in future in vivo studies. Similar structural analogs of hits will be synthesized to gain early insight into SAR, structure-activity relationships, that is, which structural changes result in changes to the activity of a compound. Early SAR work helps the research team learn which hits show the most room for improvement of key properties, such as potency, efficacy, and solubility. These collections of similar hits are each called a hit series. After considerable early research, the team will have data from multiple hit series. The data sets will be examined and considered, and one of the hit series will be promoted to lead series status. This step is the culmination of the lead selection process. Compounds in the lead series will be extensively explored as the drug discovery process continues. Why just one lead series? The team has finite resources. Instead of spreading those resources pursuing multiple lead series, the team will focus on what seems to be the most promising one. The other lead series will not be discarded. In case the selected lead series runs into future issues, one or more of the other hit series will be considered as a backup if needed. We have now outlined the lead selection process and defined a number of terms associated with the early stages of drug discovery. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. Please consider subscribing, leaving a like, or making a comment. Take care.